Welcome to our video on the latest updates for the Garmin Phoenix 8 Pro. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this top-tier smartwatch for adventurers and athletes, focusing on the significant improvements brought by the new software update version 11.89. Whether you're a current user or considering a purchase, stay tuned for all the details. The Garmin Phoenix 8 Pro is renowned as a top-tier smartwatch designed for adventurers and athletes. It's rugged, outdoor-friendly, and packed with cutting-edge features that make it an essential companion for those who love to explore and push their limits. From its durable build to its advanced tracking capabilities, the Phoenix 8 is built to withstand the toughest conditions while providing valuable insights and data. Now let's dive into the major software update, version 11.89. This update brings significant improvements and bug fixes to the Phoenix 8 Pro, enhancing its performance and reliability. Whether you're sensing with your smartphone or using the watch in extreme conditions, this update aims to provide a smoother and more dependable experience. One of the key improvements in the version 11.89 update is enhanced connectivity and stability. This update streamlines the sensing process with smartphones and other devices, making notifications more immediate and ensuring a smoother overall experience. Whether you're receiving messages, calls, or app alerts, the improved connectivity ensures that you stay informed without any delays or interruptions. The latest update for the Garmin Phoenix 8 Pro brings essential bug fixes that greatly improve the watch's reliability. A major highlight is the fix for frequent crashes when users save their activities, an issue that previously disrupted workouts by risking data loss. With this update, users can now rely on the watch to accurately record and save workout data without interruptions, enhancing both its functionality and user trust. In addition, the update optimizes the Phoenix 8 Pro's performance in cold water environments. This adjustment is particularly beneficial for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who engage in activities like swimming, diving, or winter sports, where exposure to cold water can interfere with device performance. The improved cold water resilience makes the Phoenix 8 Pro more dependable for extreme conditions, allowing users to focus on their activities without worrying about the watch's reliability. Version 11.89 introduces some exciting new features to the Garmin Phoenix 8. One of the standout additions is a brighter display, which enhances visibility in various lighting conditions. Whether you're under direct sunlight or in low-light environments, the improved display ensures that you can easily read your watch. Another notable feature is the integration of voice commands, allowing for hands-free interaction. This addition makes it easier to control your watch and access information without needing to touch the screen, adding a layer of convenience for users on the go. To wrap up, the Garmin Phoenix 8 Pro continues to be a top-tier smartwatch for adventurers and athletes, and the version 11.89 update brings significant enhancements in connectivity, stability, and new features. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions about the Garmin Phoenix 8 and its latest update. Share your comments below and let us know what you think.